Love wandered inside, stronger than you, stronger than I.
And now that it has begun, we cannot turn back.
We can only turn into one.
I won't ever be too far away to feel you, and I won't hesitate whenever you call. And I'll always remember the part of you so tender. I'll be the one to catch your fall whenever you come. And I know you're shining down on me from heaven, like so many friends we've lost along the way. And I know eventually we'll be together.
I say goodbye to what we had, the good time that made us laugh. I'll wait them back. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever.
No mountains too high for you to climb. All you have to do is have some climbing faith. Oh yeah. No rivers too wide for you to make it across. All you have to do is believe it when you pray.
And then you will see the morning will come, and every day will be bright as the sun. All of your fears, cast them on me. I just want you to see I'll be your cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I hear your voices when you call me. I am your angel. And when all hope is gone, I'm here. No matter how far you are, I'm near. And now I'm sinking to rise no more. Ever since you closed the door. If I could turn back the hands of time, then my darling, you'd still be mine. If I could turn back the hands of time, then darling, you'd still be mine. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly, I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day, spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar, I see me running through that world.
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. Ooh, when that's not possible, tell me, can you weather the storm? 'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. She will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, can you stand the rain? No, no. This we know for sure. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain? Your love unconditional. I'm not. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Hey guys, I'm Quinton Langafu Tanavasa. I'm Paul's little brother. It's my greatest hope that this slideshow will help you find some comfort in your time of sorrow. For all those who knew the great Jolly Talima, he's in heaven now, he's still humbled and still loving you all. May the grace of God be with you all in this time of sadness. Amen.